Hi friends, this is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? I'm here for the last day of Junk Journal July 2024. This is going to be a quick one. I'm just going to show you what I did. I've already done it. I had a little technical difficulty doing it on the video. So anyway, I've already done it. So I found this shiny paper right here that is my background in my junk journal basket, and I put that down as my base. Then I found this calendar page that I had in there. I couldn't believe it, but it said celebrate on it. And the two prompts today are shiny and celebrate for the last 2 days. So it was so perfect. I just made a little collage with that shiny paper and the calendar page. And then I put the little piece of paper up here that I had a scrap in there to write the days on. So that is it. I can't believe it really went fast, didn't it? So thank you to Meg and Get Messy Art. And I'll just do a really quick flip through to show you it's all of this here is my days. And from the very start where I used Meg and Get Messy Art's paper that they had with the prompts to the end here with all the prompts. We'll just flip through here real quick. We're not going to do a long description or anything, so you can just see what we did. And if you didn't see all the videos, they will be in my Junk Journal July playlist linked under this video in my description box. So it was a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. I think it was good practice, which is what my goal was. I challenged myself because I wanted to practice collaging and doing this type of thing with prompts, and I wanted to use up this journal, and I wanted to just enjoy doing this. I challenged myself to do it without watching any other videos, so I could just put my own spin on each prompt and not be tempted to copy anyone. So I don't think I missed any pages, but that is it. This is the end of the book. As I said I was going to do, I did have some extra pages today, and I tore them out because this is an altered book. And so here's how it sits. That's why I had to go ahead and not worry about the rest of the pages. It already sits like that. So I'm going to put something around it, tighten it up, and it'll be stored like this. And then I can go back and look at this challenge. But it was a lot of fun. I'm so glad I used up this book because it was sitting on my shelf without anything done to any of those pages that I just showed you. And now it's finished, and I can look back on it. I can have it, and it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. So thank you for watching all my videos. I would appreciate if you would like to share, like, comment below this video, and subscribe. That would be awesome. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.